Hello everybody. Today I've got a good friend over at Benny Gibbs Fishing on Instagram that sent me some mustache wax that he made, and I've really been looking forward to it, so let's just get into it. I've got two packages here, one marked Test 1 and one marked Test 2, and he did a great job with this packaging. It looks like he reused some grocery bags. He kind of glued them or ironed them together to make these little envelopes. Alright, so I think I'm going to get into Test 1. Very cool. He shaped these into I think that's probably a rose, right? It's amazing the summer heat didn't kill it. It smells great. Pine, I think pine. I grew up on a Christmas tree farm, right? So, you know, might be like peppermint or something. Pine and peppermint. I think there's some peppermint in there. Okay, and here's a little one. Looks like these both look like little succulents. Very cool. Okay, it's going to be a shame to do this, but here is Test 1 from Benny. Let's give it a go. Yeah, pretty soft, and that's more than I'll probably need. So I'll work it in. My hands are a little dirty. I'm working on a produce farm this summer, and I can never really get my hands clean. So I'm sorry about that. You guys have to look at it. Okay, so I like to soften up my mustache wax in my palm, and then it smells real good. I've always had trouble getting essential oil to really stay in my mustache wax when I make it. Well, it seems to kind of sit on the surface. So I'll have to ask Benny Gibbs Fishing if he did anything special. Good hair there. And looks good. We'll see how it holds up. I'm about to go stand out in the heat for an hour or so, and that should do a good job of testing it. I am going to run a comb through it. Normally I wouldn't, but just curious to see if it clumps up when I do. So I've got one of my naturally normal bamboo pocket combs here, and oh yeah. Very cool. Again, that was Benny Gibbs Fishing on Instagram that sent that over for me to test out. I worked with him at the ski resort in Colorado not all that long ago, and it was awesome of him to put this together. So I'm gonna go outside and stand in the heat, see how it holds up.